Have you ever wondered what everyday objects look like under a microscope? Today, I'm diving deep into a hidden world that will blow your mind. Stay tuned, because what you're about to see is truly incredible. First up, let's take a look at something we all have: human hair. To the naked eye, it looks smooth and shiny, but under a powerful microscope, you can see the scales, damage, and even split ends. It's like looking at a dry, cracked surface rather than a silky strand. Now let's zoom in on something we use every day: salt. It might look like simple white grains, but under the microscope, each tiny piece is a perfect cube. Nature is full of surprises. Up next, we have something from nature: a leaf. Under the microscope, we can see its stomata, tiny openings that allow the plant to breathe. It's like a miniature network of airways working hard to keep the plant alive. Ever wondered how your phone or computer screen works? When we zoom in under a microscope, we can see tiny red, green, and blue pixels. These combine to create all the colors you see on your screen. It's amazing how technology works at such a tiny level. From our hair to the screens we use every day, the microscopic world is full of wonders. What should we look at under the microscope next? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more mind-blowing discoveries.